Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have cucumber sausage and rice, but I added some egg and I added a corn and I added some of this. This is for presentation. I might eat it. I don't know. I might yum it. I don't know. Okay, now you're gonna spill over your shirt.
If you reach this far, don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna hit it chart early today.
Can we be forgetting?
Yeah, we be forgetting. You know what I'm saying?
Get us to 5,000.
Come on now, get us to 5,000. 5,000? Damn. Yeah. Get us to 4,000.
5,000.
All right, first they said 5,000. All right.
4,200, but you know what I mean.
So what's up, family? Here we got today. First, I already told y'all, you know, something
so these
fast.
Are beef sausage, my love.
Beef sausage. I don't care what it is we gonna put right here. I will sausage, but you know, we're not supposed to eat sausage no more. You're gonna have something as my you.
Cucumber, rice, sausage, egg, corn.
Yes.
And we about to dig in because, like we always say, we are hungry and we ain't lying today.
Right, family.
Ooh.
First lady's always hungry. You know when first lady's hungry, she eat a lot.
Whatever we do.
All right. Family, it was a long day. I am starved. Let's just eat it. Cucumber. You be knowing my favorite. Family, let me chop it up with y'all. You know what? I'm gonna cancel my P.O box. You know why?
Why?
Because you're not using it. I'm paying for it. And we're not using it. Yes, it's in. You didn't know? It's here. It's in the description. It's there. You know? Use it. You know what I'm saying? We love gifts.
What a man can beg.
If you don't beg, you won't get. Beg and you shall receive. Yes. So.
True, not true.
That's to beg sometime, you know? So use it, family. Come on now. It's there. We're not even using it. You know when we go in there? It's like a echo in there. That's how empty it is.
They be laughing like, I don't know, what are you coming here for? They don't have anything.
I ain't gonna lie. That's what they be saying.
Yeah, they be saying.
Yeah, I don't got nothing today. No?
As usual.
I don't like embarrassment from me. I told y'all. So, make it work. Let's prove them wrong. Okay? One at a time, family, we used to go there hard. Okay. But I get, you know, all fun and joke, but you know, if you decide you want to say something, you already know the P.O box. Real talk now. Just tell you, appreciate everything, you know that. Thankful.
And we use everything.
And we use everything. So if you're new, I am Richie and this is Shanice. No? You wanna get to know us? We watch the videos, you know? To know us.
I hope you guys enjoyed the cold foot video yesterday.
Yo, you know it's something my favorite, man.
That was a good video. That food was busting. We was tired yesterday, but
I'll call there,
we did it.
What kind of yellow man? I kind of look like an organic girl.
The only thing I bought, to be honest, was garlic and lemon. Everything else I had. The kids, they just be eating the cucumber, especially my daughter. She just eat the cucumber like this. Or the cucumber. So we call it cucumber.
Yeah. That's how your sausage is supposed to look. Watch it. Good easy meal.
Quick and clean. What do you call it? Cheap and clean?
Cheap and clean. Let me say. You sucking on your fingers?
Yeah. Ever since I did eat like you, I can't help it now.
Don't do it again. Your belly hurt. When first they did that family, her belly was hurting.
It really was. For days. I ate too fast.
Wow. You subscribe yet? Hit it. Yeah, hit it. It tells you what to do right there. You know what I'm saying? Hit it. Don't wait till it's too late. Then you can't come. Then you can't participate. That kind of yellow, man. That kind of an organic growing, man. Too yellow.
I like from Publix.
Not organic.
Publix corn is always good. Always.
Wow.
Walmart corn is a hit or miss. Especially when it's in season. Oh God, I buy so much corn.
Yeah, that's it.
Thank you.
This is beautiful. Beautiful.
If you guys have tried this meal, put a thumbs up. I want to know. Because it's really, really good.
Very simple and easy. What's wrong with your mouth today? Leaking?
I don't know. You guys know it's good if we eat it every once in a while on the channel. You know? You didn't just see it one time and then you don't see it again. Good, yo.
Yeah. Another delicious meal.
Thank you. I had no idea what to cook. Richard didn't know what he wanted to eat. So I was like, you know what? Make some cucumber, rice and sausage. Put this in the air fryer. It's better.
Mukbang is not an easy job.
It's only easy when you're eating. But even that sometimes, you know? So sometimes, a lot of times, we be so hungry. We be like, we can't do a video right now. We just want to eat our food.
True.
Sometimes I get all mad at Richard. I be like, hurry up!
And your boss only bite one bite.
Yes.
It's true, family. She, oh, hurry up, I'm hungry. When she comes to take 2 spoons and she says she full. Right there. That's why I be laughing, family. That sausage is good.
It's true.
She takes 2 bites, she's full. And she's telling me she's hungry.
You know what it is too? You guys know I don't like my food to be cold.
Food not cold.
If it's cold, I am not gonna enjoy it. I'm gonna bit my lip again.
Bite your lip, don't bite your lip. You don't do stuff like that. Leave that to me.
So guys,
You not gonna give them a story?
yeah.
What story you gonna? What you
School.
Oh, good job. See, family, she read my mind. You know, get that story, man, for real.
How you gonna say that?
I figured that, but I know you were gonna give them something, but I know it was gonna be that one right away.
So I'm in school. Like I told you guys, I'm a substitute teacher. Okay, and I'm not picky. I do all grades because at the end of the day, I'm not afraid of kids. You understand? So I'm subbing this one class. Well, towards the end of the day, it was a Friday. So when I'm subbing and it's a Friday, I make sure they get all their work done. So the last hour and a half, we chilling. We watching movies, we playing games, we having a good old time.
Turning up.
So that particular day, the class wanted to watch a movie. So I'm like, okay, cool. And usually, towards the end of the day, the older kids, like the middle school, I was doing 3rd grade. So the middle school would come in and help out to get, you know, extra credit. So these 2 young ladies walk in and they was like, hi, Mrs. Greedy. And I'm like, hi, how are you? So they're like, oh, is such and such not here today? Which is the teacher who I'm subbing for. And I said, no, she's not here today. So they looked at me and the young lady said, well, do you mind if we stay anyway? I said, sure, knock yourself out. Sit down, watch a movie. Do you want some snacks? So she's like, yes, please. And she started laughing. She was like, yes, thank you so much. So she's sitting there, and I'm watching the movie, eating my snack, you know. Good class. And I feel her looking at me. But, you know, I'm not paying her any mind, whatever. So, and that's when my hair was blonde. So she goes, Mrs. Greedy, can I ask you a question? I was like, sure. She was like, do you do YouTube? And I was like my mouth dropped. I was like, huh? She's like, because I had the mask on, right? So she's like, because your voice sounds so familiar. And then the earring that you had it on in your last video. So I'm like, what the fuck? So I'm like, But I still didn't say yes yet. I just said, I'm just looking at her like, okay.
Excuse me.
So she goes, wait. Let me see something. And she pulls up her phone and she goes, is this you? And I was like, yes. I said, but don't tell the other kids. She's like, I'm not, right? So I started laughing. So she goes, what happened to the outfit of the day? I said, oh, she really watched.
That was back then.
I said, wow, you watch. She was like, yeah. I'm not gonna lie, that's my favorite part. Is seeing what you wear, what you come up with. And I was like, maybe I'll do it back again.
Yeah.
I'm not sure. You know, because half the time, like we was just talking about, I be so hungry. I don't be having, it be too much.
Yeah.
I be starving.
It was good while it lasted.
It was good while it lasted. I might bring it back, or I might do it, you know, on a Friday. I don't know. But
gotta be careful. You don't know who knows. You know what I mean?
I'm saying.
You popular, girl. Damn.
She shot the shit out of me.
You famous. Oh man, all the voice alone.
A voice alone. You know?
Crazy.
Because when I'm subbing, especially I'm sorry, I'm stuttering. Especially the younger kids. The older kids, not so much, because they just talk and do their work, you know, they chit chat, but they're not like bad. The younger kids, they try to get over on me because I'm a sub, but that was in the beginning. Now that they see me all the time, they're like, okay.
You're a regular, you alright? You drink some of my water? Yeah,
She's a regular. Don't play with Mrs. Greedy. So.
She got so much stories.
So I'm like, I guess because she heard me yelling at them, and I said, if I get up, she's like, oh no, Miss Greedy, don't get up.
Radio.
I say it in every class. I'm like, if I have to get up, it's not gonna be nice. That means I'm taking away the iPad. I'm taking away. And they're like, okay, don't get up. So I don't know, because she was like,
Put you on the spot.
YouTube? I was like, oh my god.
Put you on the spot, huh? You got to be quiet.
For real, I almost forgot I did YouTube. She shocked me.
Did you ever see her again? No? Okay.
It was good.
That was good. See, family? She said she wasn't hungry enough. You see what I'm talking about? Okay.
I ate a lot.
So when she be rushing me to eat, she's not hungry like that.
I am hungry.
Family, what did she eat over there?
I ate what my belly can handle.
That's good. Eat what your belly can hold.
Being hungry doesn't mean I have to eat off all my food.
That's true. You're right.
I'm hungry.
You're right. Being hungry for real. She's right. Being hungry don't have to mean eat all your food. I mean, I'm up my food, Mario.
Yeah, because you starving.
I'm starving. I mean, starve mode. Excuse me. That was good though.
Ooh, yes.
Sasha's bad man. Finish? All right, let me get them beautiful people the word of the day. Again, we appreciate y'all. No, it's fun. Come and eat in front of y'all and just talk, whatever. You know what I'm saying? We appreciate that also. You know what I'm saying? So now, with that being said, what I got for y'all today. Family, listen to this. Saying? Alright, first let's listen. There's nothing more attractive than someone with passion for something, who looks at their things positively and is always seeking to better themselves. Just a little quick quote, you know what I'm saying? I mean, easy. If you can relate, you know? If you know what I'm saying? But just something simple, you know? But we appreciate y'all.
That corn was good.
And I can't man. You're too yellow. Thank you for rocking with us. If you're new, go check out our videos and catch up and try to get to know us. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
For the family members, bless up on yourself. For the viewers, same thing, bless up on yourself. We all one. You know what I'm saying? To become a family member, though, you have to, you know, subscribe and just comment and, you know what I'm saying? Just do that for us.
Yeah.
Appreciate y'all. I'm Richie if you're new, and this is Shanice, aka First Lady, and they are.
You guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye.